Are you ready to turn your social media game into a rewarding journey? Introducing Infra, the ultimate influencer marketplace that connects you with your favorite brands and their amazing products. Imagine getting your hands on the latest trends and hottest items, all while getting paid to share them with your followers. Sounds like a dream, right? Whether you're a fashionista, a beauty guru, a fitness enthusiast, or a lifestyle connoisseur, we've got brands and products that match your style and interests. Ready to dive in? Here's how. Sign up by alacrity and sign in on infra.marketing to create your dazzling influencer profile. Set up your profile by incorporating your information. Explore a plethora of brands and their incredible products. Choose what resonates with you. Let's begin this exciting partnership together.